Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you that you need one application for a PS3, and that application is PKG1. Now this is a replacement for the PlayStation Store as it acts as a separate thing from it. If you go towards it, it shows you a bunch of lists containing all the PS3 games that you can then download to your hard drive from the internet. It shows you everything from all of this to DLC, different regions, and how much your PS3 can hold. Uh, Look at it. Just all your PS3 games like Ape Escape and Assassin's Creed. Now, to show you that it works, I'm gonna get the one game that everybody just enjoys, Minecraft. Now, depending on your internet speed and the download, it could take as little as 2 minutes or as long as 5 hours. So, I'll be back for a minute. Alright, the download has already been completed. Now that it's been completed, you need to go back to, let's see if it loads, to the package manager. So once you're here, you need to go to the package manager, go to the PlayStation Network content, and just install the game that you downloaded. Now it depends on how much it takes, so let's just hope that this takes a long time, and by the looks of it, it's an easy download. And the download is now complete. Take it a few more seconds, and there you go, you got Minecraft. If you have really good internet, you can just download PKG1 for your PS3 and just get all the content from the PlayStation Network. If you have good internet. Anyways, this will be all for today. Thank you for listening to me.